In this video, I'm bringing you 5 next-level fishing gadgets that are unique, affordable, and total game changers. Whether you're chasing bass, trout, or just relaxing by the water, these gadgets are designed to make every trip even more epic. So let's dive right in. Number 1. PLUSINNO Fishing Accessories Kit. Meet PLUSINNO, a superior, solid, and durable fishing accessories kit. It comes with a clear cover over the compartment sections, where every part has its own separate space. Each section holds multiple pieces that make your fishing trips easier. It also features a waterproof rubber ring, so you don't have to worry if it gets dropped in the water. It has an anti-open double-lock buckle for extra security. Plus, it includes flip-up spring lids for both sections. The kit comes with adjustable compartments with dividers, so upgrade your fishing gear with these amazing gadgets. Number 2. PLUSINNO Tackle Box. Meet PLUSINNO 3-layer tackle box with pieces. It comes with a wide variety of soft rubber baits that make fishing easier and more exciting. This is a must-have fishing accessories kit, packed with useful gear and different types of lures. It features 16 preset fishing rig combinations, designed for various fishing styles. Each lure is crafted for targeting different kinds of fish. It's a complete, ready-to-go fishing accessory set for every angler. Lightweight and easy to carry, it makes your fishing trips smoother and more enjoyable. So enjoy your next fishing adventure with this essential all-in-one kit. Number 3. KastKing Spinning Reel. This is the KastKing Centron and Centron Light Spinning Reel. It features 9+1 ball bearings and a collapsible aluminum handle. With an efficient 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, it delivers smooth and precise performance. Designed with a slim graphite frame, it's perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The CNC aluminum spool is lightweight yet strong, built for durability. Enjoy up to 17.5 pounds of ultra-smooth drag for a powerful fishing experience. Its premium gear system makes every cast and retrieve feel effortless. Available in multiple sizes and 2 stylish color options to match your fishing style. Number 4. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod. Meet the PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, the perfect gear for both beginners and experienced anglers. This rod is crafted from high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, making it super durable, lightweight, and strong. Perfect for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. The telescopic design lets you easily fold it down and pack it, making it super convenient for travel or storing in tight spaces. It comes with a smooth, powerful reel featuring deep aluminum spool and precision-matched gears for reliable performance. The rod handle is comfortable and non-slip, even during long fishing sessions. Plus, the instant anti-reverse system helps you land your catch with more control and less hassle. Whether you're heading out for bass fishing, trout fishing, or sea fishing, the PLUSINNO Fishing Kit has everything you need to get started or upgrade your gear. Take your fishing game to the next level with this all-in-one, high-performance setup designed for real adventures on the water. Number 5. KastKing Tackle Bag. Meet the KastKing Blowback Tactical Fishing Sling Bag, the ultimate lightweight backpack built for serious anglers and outdoor adventurers. Designed with rugged 600D material and a water-resistant coating, this bag is tough enough to handle anything your trip throws at it. It features a smart sling design, letting you easily swing the bag around without ever having to take it off. Perfect when you need quick access to your gear. Inside, you'll find multiple compartments, adjustable dividers, and space for everything from tackle boxes to extra tools. So these were 5 unique and affordable fishing gadgets. If you found something you liked, all the product links are down below in the description. And let me know in the comments, which gadget would you add to your fishing kit? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.